on whatever I want to filter on. Suppose I want to have job profile, it will give me. So I had given you one option where you can use advanced filter from the data tab, right? Now today we are going to learn about a function which will do that. Okay. Now I will unsort this data. So what I'm doing is, wait, I will not sort it. Let us keep it unsorted, okay? And I'm copying these headings again here. So first we will learn sort and then we will learn filter. Okay. So here I'm applying the formula of sort. Okay. Now everyone type sort in your Excel if you are using Excel. और देखो आपको वो फंक्शन दिख रहा है क्या जैसे मुझे दिख रहा है. Are you able to see this sort function in your Excel? Tell me with a yes or no. Reply with a yes or no in the chat box. It is asking for array, sort index, sort order, and column by. Are you able to see this function in your Excel?
Yes, so
ये yes कहाँ से आया? हर्षिता.
yes, so
Okay. What about Harsha? Under which tab? No, no tab actually. It is a formula. So you have to type in a cell. This is suppose you type sum, you will get this list sum. ऐसे ही sort type करो देखो sort दिख रहा है क्या? Sort and sort by. You will get these options sort and sort by. Are you getting this or not? Tell me yes or no in the chat box. Rimesh, you also can reply. And Harshita has already said yes.
Yes, sir.
Not
Even
using
I
it.
am.
You are getting this. Okay, fine. So not a problem. If you have not logged in through laptop or not using Excel, not a problem. Now let us understand how this sorting will be done by using a data. Suppose we don't want to sort in this table, but we want to have a result in a different location. So I'm using a formula sort and I will select the array. What will be the array? Array is this array which I want to sort. So I've selected the entire range. This is my array. This array is called merge one because I have merged. So even without selecting it, if I have typed merge one, it will sort the same data. It will arrange the data. Now what is sort index? Now what is sort index? Sort index means how you want to sort the data. So if you want to understand the function, you can click here and now I'll show you. So array is the range or array to sort that we already selected. What is the sort index? A number indicating the row or column to sort by. So do you want to sort by row or column? Tell me. Do we want to sort by row or column? We want to sort by name. So I want to sort by first column. So I'll type 1. Okay. Now, sort order. A number indicating the desired sort order. One for descending, one for ascending. So I want to type ascending. So I type 1. By call. That means a logical value indicating the desired sort direction false to sort by row, true to sort by column. So I'll say true. Okay. Now, if I say true, it will do like this. If I say false, it will do like this. So let us say false. Okay. I want to go row by row. Now let us click on OK. Now, what do you see here, guys? What do you see here? Do you see the data getting sorted by name? Do you
Yes,
see?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm doing a little change. Instead of 1, I will say 2. Now what do you see? How the data is sorting now?
sir,
Sorted
I'm
now.
getting an error.
What error you are getting?
Name and hash.
Name and hash. That means your Excel has not identified the sort function. Acha, tell me when you are typing the sort function, is it giving you this prompt? Array, sort index,
Yes,
sort.
yes.
Yes. So can you share the screenshot in the chat box of the error or the formula where you have typed? Maybe you've done some mistake,
Yes,
that
sir.
is why you are getting the error, name error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you do that, I'll show you see it to you and I'll see. Now see, guys, what I did is after merge one, I have typed two. Now, how this data is sorted? Can you tell me? अभी sorting किस basis पे हो रहा है? You see the data on from the left and right table both
Sir,
and tell
age
me
wise.
age wise, correct? Because second column had age. Now, if I type three instead of two, if I type three, how the data
Gender
is
wise.
sorted gender wise? Female first and male afterwards. Okay. And if I type four,
Job profile.
job profile wise. Okay. Now again, I am converting it to one again. Now instead of this one, I type minus one. Now what do you see how the sorting is done now?
Sir, Z to A.
Name wise, alphabetically Z to A. Now see, Harshita, the problem with your table is your table name is table one. It is not merge one. Okay, you are writing merge one, but I guess it is not merge one. Okay, because if it would have been merge one, then it would have shown the table selected table. So what you do is you manually select the data. Okay, and then you try to apply this. Okay, yeah, and even if even after that you are getting an error, then tell me. Let me know. Chalo. So when we did minus one, we are getting a reverse order. If I type two here, now what you are getting? How the data
Sir,
is
age
sorted?
में filter लग गया. Age
एज में
wise.
लग गया, हाँ एज में लग गया। तो इससे क्या हुआ? असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग आ गया। बड़े वाले लोग
Yes.
पहले आ रहे हैं, छोटा एज का बाद में आ रहा है, ठीक है। उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? इसको करते हैं थ्री। थर्ड कॉलम इज जेंडर, सो नाउ यू विल सी मेल फर्स्ट एंड देन फीमेल आफ्टरवर्ड्स, ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर थ्री, इफ आई डू फोर, आई विल सी प्रोफाइल, जॉब प्रोफाइल वाइज जेड टू ए। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग what is happening? सो व्हाट वी हैव लर्न
Yes,
टुडे
sir.
इज सॉर्ट फंक्शन, ठीक है। अब मैं इसको फॉल्स की जगह ट्रू करता हूँ। अभी क्या हुआ? ट्रू करने में क्या हुआ? You see that the headings are not responding to the, not corresponding to the columns. कॉलम कुछ और आ रहा है, हेडिंग कॉलम कुछ का और है, और ये अलग आ गया है ना, HR यशवी फीमेल, ये। तो यू डोंट हैव टू डू ट्रू, एक्चुअली यू हैव टू डू व्हाट? फॉल्स ओनली, सॉर्ट बाय रो, नॉट बाय कॉलम। तो रो वाइज सॉर्टिंग कर देगा, अदरवाइज वो कॉलम वाइज सॉर्टिंग कर देगा, कॉलम में तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज सॉर्ट फंक्शन। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द
So,
फंक्शन सॉर्ट?
so I have one question over here. So when you are putting this sort and array function where you're writing four, you're changing one, two, three, four. So it is pulling the data likewise, name, age, gender, job profile. But what
Hmm.
about the significance of minus one? I cannot understand. Like if you do minus two over here,
No, no,
then
no,
how
no.
will
There
this?
is no minus one, minus two over here. See, I'll tell you.
What is the importance of
One
one and
and
minus
one and minus one representing ascending and descending, the order of the sequence. So if I type one, I'm getting alphabetically data sorted by name. So Alok Kritika, not by name. This is four. Finance first and then HR and then marketing.
one? Right.
So the structure of the formula is like that. First you select the array, then you select which column you want to sort by. Sort index. So first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So if I type one over here, it will sort by name. But one will mean that alphabetically A to Z, minus one will mean descending Z to A.
Exactly.
Getting it? One and
So that's
minus
the
one.
only purpose of one over here. One and
If you
minus
do
two.
minus two, it will give you an error because it doesn't understand what is minus two.
So also explain like you are putting three commas. So we are inputting four functions over here. Merge one, array, one, and false. So
Correct.
please explain this four quadrants. Like what do each mean over here?
Yeah. So I'm restarting it again. I had explained it, but I'm visiting it again. Now see, here, Harsha, you will be able to see this now. Okay. Array means where your data is, correct? Array means the data. So I am selecting this table as an array. This is my array, right? Which is merge one. Sort index means which column you want to sort by. I want to sort by column number one. So I'm typing one over here. Sort order means ascending or descending. So again, I'm typing one over here. And by column or by row. So I'll type false because I want to sort by row. That means I want the row to change, not the column. And once I do that, I will get the result. Are you understanding now? And these are called as
Yes, sir.
this is whatever you type in inside the bracket, it's called as a syntax. And each of these is called as a parenthesis. It is a parenthesis. So merge one is an array. One is a sort index, like which column you want to sort by. Again, another one is sort order, like ascending and descending. And the last one is by whether you want to sort by column or row. So you want to sort by row. Now suppose if this data is arranged in a horizontal manner. So horizontal means like this. Now this meeting is going to end in some time because today I did not launch it through my paid Zoom. It was a free Zoom call. So 40 minutes we only get, right? It's almost like 39th minute we are on. Okay, so today we just learned one function sort. Okay, and this is the formula. Okay, now once you get the result, it's an array. So what you'll do is you'll say Control C and Control Shift and V. Control Shift and V. You do Control C and Control Shift and V. So it will remove the formula and it will give you the result only. It will remove the formula and just give you the result. So once your task is done, you can remove it. Okay. So today I'm closing the class over here, and tomorrow we will start again. Okay. And this recording I'll share on the group so that you can revisit and you can try.